This is going to be a video on how to change the air filters in the Panasonic home air filtration system. This one, as you can see, is model FV-10VEC2. So there's a couple things that you're going to want to do. The first that you're going to want to do is shut off the system. As you can hear there, the system shut down. The second thing that you're going to want to do, and pardon me while I come over here, is you're going to want to shut off your furnace. And again, the reason for that is because all of this air is also moving through your furnace. And if you're changing filters, the last thing you want is to get a bunch of stuff blown in your face. All right. Now that that's done, I'm going to take you over to this diagram here. And if you see here, we're going to be changing the two different filters in here. One's called an OA filter, which stands for outside air. The other one's called a return air filter, which stands for return air. So it's coming in here and then going back out there. So to do this properly, you need to take off this lid. Now, so to do this properly, you're going to need to take the lid off. The way you do it is there are a couple latches on the side here. All right, as you can see here, I've taken the door off. And again, most of you won't have to do that. There's a hinge here. So basically, the door will just lift up. You remove this insulation here, and you're right where you need to be. So I'm going to take this piece out. You can do that by just jiggling it a little bit. Here we go. And then here we go. You will see filter 1 and filter 2. This is your outside air coming in, the OA filter, and this is your return air filter right here. All right, so now that I've gotten the cover off, let's take a look real quick. As I showed you before in the diagram, this is the outside air coming in. This is the return air going out. So based on process of elimination, this is your OA outside air filter, and this is your RA return air filter. I'm going to go ahead and replace both of these one by one. We're going to start by replacing the OA filter, the outside air. As you can see, there's arrows on here pointing the direction heading this direction. Really simple. All you need to do is slide this bad boy out. We're going to set it here temporarily. Here we go. I've got a brand new one. You can get these on Amazon and a couple other different places, and I'll post a link there in the video. Slides right in there. That one's now done. All right, so now for the return air filter. I'm going to pop it out real quick. It's really easy. This one actually didn't sit in there very well, it looks like. The little piece looks like it might have popped off. So I'll show you on the new filter. We're going to get this out of here. So it's pretty simple. There's a little groove in here. It slides in at an angle. All right. Like just like that, and then you slide it over. And right here, I don't know if you can see that, but there's a little divot there, and there's a little divot on, here we go, there we go. There's a little nipple there on the filter, and you just get it to pop in right there, easy peasy, and we're ready to go. So if you look at it now, the filters have been changed. Sometimes I will, if I see too much dust, vacuum in some of these areas. I know it looks like there might be a little bit more dust than you'd like, but believe it or not, the styrofoam gets stained a little bit over the years.